Hello traders. Welcome back to the channel. Today we'll break down the complete pre-market analysis for Nifty for Friday's trading session, including global cues, support and resistance levels, expected direction, and high probability intraday zones. Make sure you watch till the end because I'll also share important breakout and reversal levels you can use for your trading plan. 1. Global market overview. Let's begin with the global cues, because they set the tone for NIFTY's opening. US markets, US 30, mixed to slightly negative tone. This shows mild overnight pressure. Asian markets, opening flat to slightly positive, indicating some stability in the early session tomorrow. European futures, hovering flat, not giving strong direction. Dollar index or USD INR. INR is stable, not showing signs of panic or strength, good for market stability. Crude oil, trading softer, which is positive for Indian equities. Overall global sentiment, neutral to slightly positive. This suggests Nifty may open around the previous close with mild bullish bias. Though, Nifty structure or price action. Now let's analyze NIFTY's structure from today. We saw strong recovery from intraday lows. Buyers stepping in near support zones. A clean move towards the mid-range of the chart. No major selling pressure from institutions. This gives us a market that is not weak and not overly strong. Very balanced but with a positive tilt. Team. Key support or resistance levels for tomorrow. Based on our custom SR model, these are the static levels for tomorrow morning's Nifty session. Resistance levels, upside barriers, R1, 26,274. R2 बजके 26 मिनट, 332. R3 बजके 26 मिनट, 390. R4 बजके 26 मिनट, 448. R5 बजके 26 मिनट, 506. R6 बजके 26 मिनट, 564. Interpretation. A breakout above R1 can push Nifty towards R2 or R3 quickly. R3 and R4 are heavy supply zones, expect profit booking. Only if Nifty sustains above 26,500, we can see a trending bullish day. Support levels, downside buying zones, S1, 26,116. S2, 26,021. S3 बजके 25 मिनट, 926. S4 बजके 25 मिनट, 836. S5 बजके 25 मिनट, 766. S6 बजके 25 मिनट, 686. Interpretation. First strong intraday buying zone is S1, 26,116. Below S2, the market may shift into bearish momentum. Breaking S the 3rd of May trigger quick fall toward S4. 4. Expected market direction, based on global cues jor chart structure jor SR levels. Nifty direction for tomorrow. Flat positive to positive. We may see a range bound opening, followed by a slow upward move if global markets stay stable. Break below as the 1st of May briefly shifts sentiment to mildly negative. 5. Trading plan for tomorrow. Bullish plan. Look for long trades above 26,274, R1. Targets R2, R3, R4. Keep strict SL below breakout candle low. Bearish plan. Look for short trades only if Nifty breaks below 26,116, S1. Targets S2, S3 sideways, no trade zones. Price stuck between 26,200 to 26,260. Avoid overtrading. Wait for breakout. High probability trade zone. Breakout of R1 or breakdown of S1. These will decide the intraday trend. Closing conclusion. So this was your complete pre-market analysis for tomorrow's Nifty session. If you found this helpful, like the video, subscribe, and comment your market view. See you tomorrow with post-market analysis.